Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this AirTag 1-pack by Apple. And this is just not a regular AirTag, it's a special one because there's an emoji engraved on it. So I want to show you all how that looks like. So here's the back of the package. Really digging these AirTags by Apple. I get to track my car, my backpack, all that good stuff. So getting more because they're so helpful. So all right, this is what a 1-pack looks like. Last time I unboxed a 4-pack for you guys, and this one, like I said, has one of my favorite emojis on it. Let me show you all. All right, that's a package. Come on, no stickers, Apple. They gotta like put in some AirTag stickers. I really think they should put in stickers of all the products they make. It'd be cute. And then, I don't know, people put that stuff. It's like free advertisement if they stick it around. All right, AirTag. Right. All right. And the moment you've all been waiting for, you want to know which emoji I picked, I know. Here we go. The big reveal. It's like gender reveal. AirTag emoji reveal. Let's go. Oh, isn't that cool? Isn't that cool, you guys? Alien emoji. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. That's really good quality. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope. So yeah, I like how Apple gives you the option of engraving a emoji on it. So that's pretty dope. I'll get more of these. All right. That's it. Hope you all enjoy and see you all next time. Later.